Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Gemini environment. Use your Google or Workspace account because permissions tie to that identity. Once signed in, grant microphone and text-to-speech permissions in your browser so the tool can synthesize and preview audio. Next, load your text, paste from a document or clipboard, or type directly. Shorter chunks let you iterate faster. Make sure to pick the language and voice category now. This reduces rework later and helps you hear accurate intonation. Now focus on the middle steps. Select the voice model, choose natural for clarity, expressive for emotion, or compact for low bandwidth, since model choice affects prosody and file size. Next, tweak speed, pitch, and volume. Preview short 5 to 10 second clips so you can judge pacing. If your platform supports SSML, add pauses and emphasis to control rhythm. Once you have one working variant, test a second alternative to compare tone and intelligibility for your audience. Finish by exporting and integrating. Choose MP3 or WAV and set bitrate and sample rate based on your delivery channel. Higher sample rates for broadcast, lower for web. Then either download the audio for local editing or integrate programmatically using the provided API key and endpoint. If you hit errors, first check permissions and account quota, then verify model-specific length limits and network stability. Clearing cache or re-authenticating often resolves token issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.